In this video, you'll learn how to start investing in all kinds of assets from just a few €100. Whether you're aiming for fixed returns of 15% or you're ready to take a risk and multiply your money by 50 times or more, this video is your ticket in. If you've ever wondered how to invest in startups, real estate, Picasso paintings, or your favorite local coffee shop without being a millionaire, the answer is simple: crowdfunding. And trust us, it's much easier and safer than you think. When people hear crowdfunding, they usually think of platforms like Indiegogo or Kickstarter, where creators raise funds for their projects in exchange for rewards like products or exclusive perks. That's a great way to support innovation, but let's be clear, that's not investing. That's philanthropy. In this video, we're focusing on the exciting part: how to invest and earn money with crowdfunding. Let me explain how it all works using a real-world example. Imagine someone wants to build a small hotel. They go to the bank for financing, but surprise, surprise, the bank refuses. Why? Because banks often aren't interested in funding small businesses. So this entrepreneur turns to a crowdfunding platform and asks to publish their project. Not to raise money from a single investor, but from many people like you and me. Usually the minimum investment starts at just €100. Thus, almost everyone can participate. The platform then requests all the project details, evaluates the opportunity, and, if it's approved, takes care of the legal work and uploads the project online for investors to see. If enough people believe in the idea and invest, the target amount, let's say €1 million, is raised. The project is considered successful and the funds go directly to the entrepreneur. If the target isn't reached, the money is simply returned to the investors. This creates a natural layer of trust. After all, if hundreds of people decided this project is worth supporting, there's a good chance it's solid. In Europe, crowdfunding platforms are regulated under the European Crowdfunding Service Provider Regulation. That means there are strict rules about how projects are structured, what data must be disclosed, how platforms operate. Most platforms even go beyond regulations, offering expert evaluations, organizing webinars, and sharing insights to make investing more transparent and informed. Now, the most exciting part: how you make money. There are two main ways to invest through crowdfunding. You lend money to a project and in return you get your money back over time, plus interest. Returns can go up to 15%, though most projects offer around 10% annually. You buy a share in the project. That means you'll earn a profit share from operations, from the sale of the project, or both. Of course, returns vary by risk. In real estate equity projects, returns could reach 20%, while in startups, your profit can go through the roof. For instance, early investors in Revolut saw their stake grow more than 50 times in value. Now you're wondering in what type of projects or assets you can invest. The short answer? Anything. You name it. Even Mars colonization could be crowdfunded one day. But let's stick to the most popular and highest return types. Investing in startups is one of the hottest categories. You'll find platforms like Crowdcube, 2to-go, and more, offering investments in startups from industries like tech, food, fashion, and everything in between. Some platforms focus on specific areas. Capital Cell Health Tech. An investor offers investing in sustainable startups. Start your real estate empire with just €100. You can invest in projects like rental apartments in Barcelona, residential buildings in Vienna, office complexes in London. The opportunities are massive. Platforms like Enerfip, Lendopolis, Fundine, and Bettervest allow you to invest in solar parks, wind farms, and even hydrogen projects. These projects offer good returns and real environmental impact. Support your favorite cafe or an innovative business overseas by providing them with funding. It's meaningful and potentially profitable, especially since small and medium businesses often struggle to get financing. And that's just the start. You can also invest in art, wine, agriculture, and many more niches. Everyone can find a project or asset they understand and feel confident investing in. To make your investment journey easier, we at Crowdinform have compiled a list of top crowdfunding platforms and key info about them, as well as user reviews. Check out our website, explore platforms, and don't forget to leave a review to help other investors. We also highlight top projects regularly, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay ahead and never miss a big opportunity. Remember, investing in crowdfunding carries risks, including the risk of losing your entire investment. So always ask questions about the project and the platform. Join the community conversation. Share your experiences and reviews. Your feedback helps others make smarter choices. and builds a stronger, safer crowdfunding ecosystem for everyone. Have a great day and see you in the next video.